never ever ever going to be hard. Just to smile. The other day I did a flexi rod set, and I just wanted to show you guys how I styled my flexi rods. I have some clips and I do a fake bang, and well, let's get into this video. As you can see, my hair is in some flexi rod set, and I never separated them, so they usually separate by themselves. I don't usually separate them, so each day it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So today is 3-day here, and tomorrow will probably be even bigger. It's been 3 days that I had it in, so it's starting to get a little frizzy, not a lot, but I'm gonna try to make it work until at least 5 days. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you some styles that I put it in day 3, day 4, and day 5 before I wash it. Okay, the first style I'm gonna put it in is, so I'm just gonna take some and twist it around twice, and then I'm gonna have 2 clips. I have this one, so I'm just gonna put it like this and leave it like that. And to do my baby hair, I'm gonna take a little bit of extreme gel and just put some on the front of my head, and then I'm gonna come back with my brush and do my baby hair. I'm gonna use this little tiny brush. It's really soft on this side, so that's the side I'm gonna use. And that's the first style. So number 2, I'm gonna take the other clip, and I'm gonna twist this side up like this, and I'm gonna add the other clip. So this is my second. I have 1 clip here and 1 clip here. And I have this lip gloss by Theglossbossbeauty, and I am so addicted to this thing. I'm gonna stop in the middle of my video and add some gloss. I'll leave a link below so you guys can cop you some. It doesn't leave your lips feeling dry. It doesn't leave that white film on your lips. I just love this thing. I use this all the time. I'm addicted. Next to my bed, so when I get up in the morning, I can just put it on. Check below for the Theglossbossbeauty information, and I'm gonna definitely leave this below. As you guys know, I have to drink water because I have sickle cell anemia and I'm always dehydrated, so I have to drink at least 4 of these a day. So I'm always gulping water, always gulping water. I don't put any lemon, lime, any fruits or vegetables in my water. I drink my water just like that. I get my water from a company called the Mountain Valley. It's alkaline water, and it comes in glass bottles. So I have like a little dispenser for hot and cold. I usually get like 5-gallon bottles. I would get like 5 of them at one time, and that will last me like about 3 months. Third style I'm going to show you guys. So I'm going to take these 2 clips out, and make sure you take them out really slow so you don't snag your hair. And then I'm going to use one of these little elastic rubber bands. I use elastic on my hair, I don't care. So I pull this part up like this. I only do it once, so put that in, and then I just let it go. So course, I do my baby hair on both sides. Okay, the next style I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make a bang. So there you go, a fake bang. The next style I'm gonna do is with a bandana. I'm gonna take my bandana and triangle, and then I'm gonna fold it over till I can't fold it over anymore, like this. Then I'm gonna come from the back, put all my hair up, and then I'm gonna tie it up. So of course my edges gotta be out and on fleek. The next style is I'm just gonna wear a silk scarf. So I'm gonna take this and bring it over my head like so, and I'm gonna tie it like so. And this is the final look. Just a plain scarf over my curls. Comment down below what other styles I can do with my flexi rod. How I take care of it at night, it's very important because I don't want to lose my curls, I don't want to lose my definition, and I make sure I'm very delicate. I use my DIY growth oil. I use this bottle because it has a tip on it. So I make my DIY oil and then I put it in this bottle. So I usually take this and I'm just gonna put some all over my scalp. And like I said, this has been helping with shedding and helping me grow back my hair in the front right there. As you can see, it's like a little thin. Well, I think it's a little thin. Everybody keeps telling me it's nothing wrong with that, but I think it's a little thin around my temple. So I just put oil in my scalp, and then I use my fingertips and I just massage. And I do this for like about 10 minutes. So I usually just get a really good massage in. And then I come to the front part, and then I just do the front, and then I do the sides, then I do my temple. I just get my scalp nice and tingly because it has that tea tree oil, it has castor oil, it has avocado oil, it has jojoba oil, argan oil, olive oil, coconut oil, and all those oils are mingling together and giving me a nice scalp massage. So the tea tree oil and the peppermint oil gives me like a nice little tingling feeling, and so I just massage until I can't massage no more. That's what I do pretty much every night or every other night, or sometimes I do it in the morning before I style my hair. So, oh, this feels so good. I make sure I'm not messing with my curls. I'm just getting under. Yeah. Sometimes I take this bad boy off first, because if you have rings on and stuff, they get caught in your hair. I don't like that snagging feeling. Oh my God, it's like I lose enough hair already. I don't need to lose anymore. Ah, that feels good. Then I use these two to put my hair up, and then I'm gonna turn my head down and scoop up all my little curlies, and then I'm gonna use this to just wrap it on the top of my head like so. And then I'm going to take my scarf like so. Put it over my head. Bring it up over my ears. Tie it like that. And then tie it in the back. Like so. And I usually just let that hang. So usually if I leave it out like this, it'll get like really frizzy. So what I'll do is I'll hold it gently, twist it around like that so I can twist the curls together, and then I'll open this part up and I'll stuff it in. And then I'll take this part that I stuffed in and I'll twist it like this. Believe me, it comes loose by the time of the morning. So I'll twist this part and then tuck that under somewhere like that. And that's my nighttime routine. It's very simple. I don't have a bonnet big enough for my hair. So the next step is, of course, taking my makeup off and moisturizing my face. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, smiles. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and all that good stuff. So talk to you guys later. Bye, smiles.